Everybody, All Pro Exterior Services here again at another job. I know I haven't been filming quite a bit. We've been doing a lot of residual work, just all kind of getting in all kind of stuff. Anyway, we here at a customer that called for a gutter cleaning. So we got this top piece, we got this section on the back here. So we're gonna go ahead and knock that out. We also upsold them on a house wash later. But they got guards up top that are very open, and over here in our region, that doesn't help. So we just breaking it off. They got screws. We don't have a drill with us. Just dropped it right here. Let me show you. This guard is useless. You see how thick it is? Okay, no capiche. But yeah, this doesn't really do anything because pine straw gets in between here and eventually makes the situation worse for gutters. So we're gonna go ahead and knock that out and then roll on. So we'll get some footage here in a minute. We got some other jobs on the schedule. Booked. We booked. It did slow down a little bit, but I don't know. It went from 0 to 1,000 like in a week. I don't know. Everybody woke up. Kids went back to school. Everybody called. So we'll catch up. Peace. Hey guys and girls, we've been here for about an hour. Finishing up now. So we got everything done. Everything blowed out. I'm just gonna rinse off this little walkway right here. And this. Yeah, so we got it done. They were pretty bad. The clogged spouts. Got them on an annual, of course. Let's rinse off what we can. Some more footsteps here. No need to break out the heavy duty machines. Not today. Not for this job. But yeah, that's it for this. We're out of here. Next. Like I said, we've been doing a bunch of annuals. And yeah. Okay. We're Golden Goose. Right on, baby. Right on. Nasty. Plus we had a hurricane. Forgot to mention that. But anyway, we'll catch some footage on the next job. It's an annual. A lot of annuals. We'll catch up. Peace. All Pro Exterior Services here again. This is a biannual. So we do it every 6 months. We just come out and clean it up, spray it. We're moving all this stuff here. On driveway, we're gonna do not a surface clean, we're gonna do a post treat. So we'll be good there. Of course, we'll blow it off and do all that, but we're gonna wash the house. Probably blow that roof off a little bit. You know, these are the types of customers we try to score. They just say, look, come on in. In fact, they're not even home. Oh, I got the door open so you can get on the balcony. So really good people. And I mean, it just wash what you think needs to be washed. And if you're good to your customers, loyal, and take care of them, and it all comes to fruition. But anyway, we're going to be using the Beast today. Got to get mine set up. Of course, the first thing we do is hook up the water. I tell you guys that on just about every video. I know it's repetitious, but hey, look, you don't know how many times some people forget to hook up water, especially if they're in a well and they got to wait a while. So we're going to hit that balcony first. And the reason we're going to do that is because with our experience, at least here underneath the balcony, it leaks through. So we want that to leak through as much as it can, so we can let me just put this right here, so we can just you know, come back and rinse that off. But it's a beautiful day. We had some rain last night, which about time. We haven't had rain in a minute. It's been super hot, and I know the footage has been off, like I keep saying, but you know, Stingray has been doing very well. Really enjoying it. I couldn't believe I forgot this in the box when I put it together originally. But it's all good. We got it figured out now. It's working great. Can't wait to get 3 more of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the remote control. We're gonna get set up. We already got PP done. Tony's just finalizing all that, and we'll be rolling. get it done. I probably will not get, let me get my remote. I probably will not get any footage of the balcony just because I'm not going to be up there doing that. Get spray. What's that for? They got plugs up there?
I'm sure they do.
I don't think so.
I don't see one, but I'm sure they have.
Yeah, so anyway, that's what we're going to do with that. Let's got to prime this machine up and get it rolling. Alright guys. On the side of this house, I already wet everything. Plus we got a big rain last night, so we're just waiting on SH. Should be coming out pretty quick here. There we go. This side's not that really dirty, so we should be golden. AR hitting that, no problem. Get that fan pattern as much as you can. Get that widespread. This side ain't too bad, so we should be golden. We can get that facial good. Hit that pole while I'm here on that outside. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn my soap off. So I can hit this side. Trying to get in between that stuff. It's like a jungle. We already did the balcony, but like I said, I wasn't filming that because a lot of overspray. AR coming through. Alright, so we're going to finish this. We didn't do the bottom. I'm letting that floor drain. So we're going to hit that next. And then we'll work our way around, finish up. Then we'll get yank out of here. We're going to post-treat the driveway. We ain't surface cleaning it. So, got that done. We're waiting on that on water now, you know. Story of our life. See, here's the main. You can tell the main, at least where in my region, where that pipe comes out the ground on city water. Probably well water too, but yeah. They pumping good, so I think we're almost full, so. Yeah, one time we hit these bricks too. But again, that's, say like, a little bit of not even no SH, just the AR. See, this kind of stuff goes a long way with your customers. Well, I like the AR, man. It gives you enough knockdown power. So you need it. It'll look good. Okay. Salute Americanos. Speaking of Americanos, I don't know if any of my people are into coffee. Like I am. I'm going to show you guys that one day. But anyway. Alright, let me go ahead and finish rinsing this off. We'll catch up with some footage in a minute. Peace. Guys, we're on the soft wash now. Tony's pulling the hose. I'll pull him a little extra. Liking this setup with that Stingray, man. I can't wait to go all Stingray. Letting that pump bleed out, get that air, any condensation out of it. We're gonna go with a, see, I marked this one too. So this is, the yellow's 1.5, this is 3, and this is 6. I ought to put a 4.5 in here. We'll get it. Make sure we're good. Yep, gold. Then I always like to screw this in a little bit, bleed this off. We're golden. We're at 80 psi, which is what is recommended. So we'll turn this on. Not on the concrete, over here. Alright, we can turn that on. We're gonna go ahead and prime it. So this is the bleach line. So what we gotta do first, obviously, is turn it to bleach. Turn it to bleach. And then we'll turn our water off for a minute. You can see the line here. You see it filling up? I don't know if you can see that on camera. Open that up again. Do it again. Okay, now we prime. Just a little soap. Remember, that's a 3/8 hose. We'll probably go about 5%, 4.5, 5%. So it'll be golden. Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and post treat and get it done. Catch up in a minute. Peace.